This is the Tech21 Evo Type keyboard for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus and Note 10 Plus 5G. It's $80. I'm Josh Smith with GottaBeMobile.com. I'm going to show you what you need to know about this awesome case option for your Note 10 Plus. So as you can see, this is a very slim case. Even though there's a keyboard in here, the case isn't much thicker than a standard folio style case. There's a lot of protection built into this. So you get 10 feet of drop protection plus that keyboard. So you can see there's a wide cutout for the camera right there. And then on the back we have a kickstand, which is going to allow us to prop this back so that we can type on a flat surface. And that's really where this keyboard is designed to work, is sitting down. It's not something you're going to try and use while you're moving around. This is for when you're going to go ahead and get some actual work done, send some emails out, and work on something either on a plane, at a desk, while you're getting coffee, and you want a bigger keyboard than you get on your phone. Has a really nice feel to it. It's designed with some plant-based materials, and it works in basically any app. Let's take a closer look at the keyboard part of this. When we get ready to use this, the first thing we're going to do is put the kickstand up, and then we'll set that back, and then we fold the keyboard down, and from there we have the keyboard. And so I can push on, and when I hold this button, it'll show Evo Type keyboard connected. You'll notice that the on-screen keyboard disappeared, and now I'm going to be able to type using this keyboard. So this is a touch-sensitive keyboard, so as I push on the keys, they're going to register, but the keys aren't actually moving. So you're not going to have a lot of tactile feel. There is a little bit of a vibration, so you can tell that you've typed something. So every time I type that, there's a little vibration, so some haptic type feedback. So there's also a function key, so I can control some ringtone stuff. I can also use this to access special characters along that top row. So if I want to type a special character, I can go ahead and hold the function key and press the character up there. You can also do some up down stuff like that. It does take a little while to adjust to the key size because these keys are kind of small, and so if you have fatter fingers, you may accidentally touch some other keys while you're typing if you're trying to go too fast and if you don't lift your fingers quite enough. And so you'll see I made a few mistakes, and that's really part of a learning curve. This is a nice mix of functionality and form factor because I'm able to get a larger keyboard that I can use on my Note 10 Plus or Note 10 Plus 5G, and it folds up so that it's just the size of a regular flip folio style case, so you're not carrying around any extra bulk with you. The keyboard definitely has a learning curve because it's touch sensitive. You do get that haptic feedback, so you do know when you press a key. If I start to go too fast, then I start making some typos, but if I kind of take my time a little bit but still type faster than I would on screen, I'm able to get a faster typing experience on the Note 10 Plus with this. Now, depending how quickly you're able to adapt to it and depending on the size of your fingers, you might be able to go faster than me or you might be a little bit slower. It's definitely a cool option. It's something that's going to add productivity to a Note 10, whether you're pounding out emails, doing Word documents. And personally, on an experience like this, I'm going to type what I have to say, and then I'm going to go back and I'm going to proofread it and see, okay, I made a typo here. I'm going to fix that, and I'm going to be able to type overall faster, even with a few mistakes mixed in, because I'm going to fat finger a few things. You can get this from Tech21. It's also available at Verizon and other retailers for $79.99. Are you looking for something like this so that you can type faster on your Note 10? Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment letting us know if you are picking one of these up.